Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to assign an action to the action button on iPhone 16 Pro. To assign an action to the action button, go to settings, then go to action button, and now you can change it. You can set silent mode, focus, camera, torch, voice memo, recognize music and more. You can also set a control, a shortcut, accessibility feature, or no action. I'm gonna set it to torch and then show you how to use it. To use it, just press and hold on the action button on the left side of your iPhone, and you can see that the torch is on. And to turn it off, press and hold on the action button again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.